Hi! Today we are going to learn about some important first aid equipments and their names.
Let's start with a Band-Aid, a small bandage used to cover minor cuts or scraps. Next is gauze, a light, thin cloth used to cover and protect wound. Then, we have antiseptic wipes, which are used to clean cuts and prevent infection. Then, we have thermometer, a tool to check if someone has a fever. We also have tweezers, handy for removing splinters or small foreign objects from the skin. Then we have a cold pack, used to reduce swelling and relieve pain from minor injuries. Elastic bandage, used for wrapping sprained ankles or wrists. Next, we have safety pins used to secure bandages in place. Don't forget scissors in first aid box, which are important for cutting tap or bandages. We also have sterile eye pads, used to protect an injured eye.
Remember, first aid is important, and knowing these tools can help you or someone else in a small emergency. Stay safe and keep learning.